Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and thank you so much to all my old and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I will be making for my kids this morning. And this is not something they eat every single day. You know, some days I kind of make out time to make a very yummy, delicious and beautiful meals for them. So today is one of the days, or this morning is one of the mornings I want to treat them. You know, something with kids, there's something with them. If they see something beautiful, they kind of get attracted to it. So when it comes to food, I like to any day I want to treat them well. Not like I don't treat them well every day, but you know, you get what I mean. So any day I want to kind of treat them with food. I make it in a beautiful and special way, like kind of decorate it, make it look more attractive, more appetizing, so that when they see it, they kind of want to eat it like immediately. So today is one of the days, or this morning is one of the mornings, and I'd like to share this with you. It's not something you don't know, but I think some people don't know how to go about it. So this is going to be a kind of what my kids ate for breakfast, like kind of a breakfast idea. So I hope you guys stay tuned, enjoy this video and see how they eat it. I'm going to show you how I make it, and I will also show you how they eat it, if they ate well or not. My kids, especially Joshua, he doesn't like to eat, but because of how I spice up food, how I make it look more beautiful, how I pet him, he kind of eats a lot these days. If you notice, he's getting chubbier unlike how he used to look before. So without talking too much, I'm going to jump into the kitchen and show you what I'll be making for breakfast. This is just going to be a breakfast video, not like what they eat in a day, just the breakfast part. So let's get into the kitchen and get started. So for breakfast this morning, my kids are going to be having some smoothie and French toast. They are currently awake. They just woke up some minutes ago. So I'm going to be blending some strawberries. We are in the season of strawberries, so we kind of eat a lot of it now because they will soon go. I'm also going to be adding one avocado to the smoothie. This is the small size, and 2 bananas. And for our sweetener, we are going to be using maple syrup. If you like, you can add honey, okay, but not sugar. If you don't have honey, if you don't have maple syrup, just blend it together like that. The banana is going to add a natural sweetness to the smoothie, but if you have maple syrup, I suggest you use it. So I'm going to blend the smoothie and put it in the fridge so it can be cooling over there. You guys know we are already in summer and the weather is hot, so by the time I'm done with making the French toast, it would have gotten cold a bit, or cold enough for them to drink. I already washed the strawberries. Some people like to add the leaves. I don't know, I don't think I can do that. I think I've tried it once, but that was a very long time ago. So here is the avocado. There's something I learned. They said if you remove the head of the avocado and it's fresh, then you know that the whole avocado is fresh and good. But if you remove it and it's kind of rotten, that means that the whole avocado is rotten as well. So I'm going to try it. So this is the head, and look at, oh, this one, it's like it's going to be fresh. Let's see now. I'm going to cut it open. Ooh, that's true. That's rude though. So I'm going to be adding milk. This is the normal milk you use to drink your tea, but if you like, you can use almond or coconut milk or any milk of your choice. I'm going to cover and blend till everything is smooth. Now for the French toast, I'm going to be cracking in 2 eggs. I'm going to add some milk as well. Just a little milk, not too much. I'm going to add sugar. Two teaspoons. And finally, I'll be adding some cinnamon powder. Then mix all of that together. Done. I'm going to set that aside. And this is the bread I'm going to be using, the Morato. This is American sandwich, but it's wheat bread. If you want, you can use white bread. This is my holy grail. Like, I love this bread right from time. If you've been following me for a long time, you'll know that this is my favorite bread. We have the white one though. So here is the white one. You can see they are the same bread, but this one is white. You can see it there. So I'm going to be using the brown one for this recipe because it turns out so well with the brown bread, but with the white one, the mixture kind of sits on top of the bread. I've tried it before, but it didn't work well, so I always use this one. Blessing is at the background making noise. So I'm going to start frying now. So in a pan, I'm going to be adding in some butter. If you want, you can use coconut oil. You can use any other vegetable oil of your choice, but butter is best for making French toast. My pan is not that big, so I'm going to be making one at a time. But if you have a larger pan, you can add more of the butter, spread it all over the pan, and add as many bread as your pan can contain, okay? So you're just going to take one slice of the bread and dip it in the mixture, then add to the pan. Now we are going to fry both sides 2 minutes each side, which is in total 4 minutes. Sometimes it doesn't even reach up to 2 minutes. I just kind of check it. If it's brown enough, I just flip it over. That's it. You see that color? Yes, that's exactly how it should look. So guys, here are all the French toast I made with the 2 eggs and other mixtures I added to the eggs. I was able to come up with 6 slices of bread, and this one nearly got burnt because my 4-month-old baby was, you know, seeking for my attention. She was crying, and before I could come after attending to her, the thing turned burnt offering. But it's okay, it's not that bad. So this is for Favor, Joshua, and Caleb. So I'm going to serve them now. So guys, I added I shared 1 banana for them and the 2 strawberries, 2 large strawberries, so it will look more beautiful and more appetizing. And they love it.
Bread. Mighty Father Lord, we cover this food with the blood of Jesus. As we eat the rest of our bodies in Jesus' name. Amen.
Blessing, what is it? Do you want to join them, baby? Do you want to eat a bono? Do you like it? So if you are making meals for kids, you have to, you know, kind of design, decorate it so that it will look more appetizing, more beautiful in their eyes, because what they see is what they like, you know. If the food is not looking good, they will not eat it, and it will be there for you, and you, the mother, you'll be there shouting, eat, eat, my kid don't eat, my kids don't eat. No, you have to make it look beautiful and attractive, so that when they see it, it's not even somebody that will tell them to come and eat. They love this combination. I try to make it for them, you know, once in a while, so they can enjoy themselves. If you don't have much time, you can make out time during the weekends and prepare something beautiful, something nice for your children or for your family in general. My boy, you guys know Joshua now. He usually doesn't like to eat, but you can see he finished his own, and Favor is still struggling with her smoothie. Caleb as well. So guys, since they are all satisfied and nobody is ready to eat this one, I'm going to have it as my own breakfast. I didn't plan to eat breakfast now, but I might as well eat it and forget about breakfast, right? As you can see, they really enjoyed the breakfast. My son Joshua, he finished everything. If you see the way he was rushing it, he finished it. Favor finished her own, but she didn't finish the smoothie. She left just very little something at the bottom of the cup. Caleb couldn't finish his own as well. He drank half of it, but that's okay, that's fine. You don't expect them to finish everything all at once. And again, I like to give them huge breakfast. I don't know, this is just me, I don't know how you do it in your own house, but I like to give my kids huge breakfast so that it can carry them for a very long time, and I can have time to do whatever I want to do around the house all throughout the morning / afternoon. And they kind of eat their lunch towards around 1 p.m. and around 1 p.m. 2 p.m. at most, okay, depending on how hungry they are. But for this one, they had it, I think, around 9. Around 9. So this one, they are going to carry it until 1, 2, you know, and then I'll be able to make lunch for them. Though we have something they will eat for lunch, it's just to warm it up and get it ready. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want, let me know in the comment section below if I should make or film what they eat for lunch, and probably what they eat for dinner as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I also encourage you to make this breakfast for your kids, because I believe they will love it. Yeah, kids, they love something beautiful like this. So go and make it for your kids and see how it goes. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video, but for now, take care, remain blessed, and stay safe. Okay, bye.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much